Hello, this is Michael from FireInspectHub.com, and we are going through an NFPA 72 alarm specialist environment. So, if you've worked in the site before, or if this is your first time, what normally happens is when you click Add Asset, you get all these options. But we don't want that. We're going to add a client. Okay, now that the information is set, we're going to save. We're now going to add an asset to that client. Trist Hospital. You see, it only has the alarm set up, whereas before we saw everything else. And let me make sure that that's set up properly. It's going to be annual review. There's no parenting. We could ask the manufacturers, but not real. Security desk. Okay. And now we're ready to assign the job. Trist Hospital, Anya 72. Boom. We can write a scope document out uh, and dispatch. And then now it's in our inspection for the date. We hit the inspection, we choose the asset, and then we select the pieces for the review. We say pass. If there is a failure, we can go here and um, we can make the description more elaborate by clicking the enhancing AI tool. And then if we need to change to non-critical because we fixed a mistake, um, changed the batteries. And once again, to make it more elaborate. And now we can continue. If that suits you, pass, 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 pass. And then when we get down to it, we can add uh, photos and then just sign. And now it's in for open review. And you can see here we can toggle for joint uh, report format. So let's show you what it looks like in normal format. And you can see the error. And there is uh, the licensing information. I'll show you how that's set up. And then if we go to joint commission, we have this view. And if we go to DMV, we have one that's slightly different. And then when you're ready to finalize, we click here. If you have to send to Bricer, I can show you how to do that separately. But we'll click finalize client. You can send to the client. There's a portal here. And remember how we saw that licensing information? In the team member setup, there is your profile. And here you can set your credentials that'll pop up in the PDF. All right, that should get you going. Um, that should get you going.